Yeah, cash money, heroes, private jets.
You guys are probably wondering where all of this math originated from.
All of this Chapter 4 math came from Greek mathematicians, namely Euclid.
He developed many of the postulates and theorems we use in Chapter 4, such as the angle-sum theorem. He compiled his theorems and postulates in his work called The Elements. The postulates and theorems we use in Chapter 4, such as the SSS, ASA, SAS, and AAS. Right, Euclid?
In addition to finding the angle-sum theorem and the 4 ways to prove triangles congruent, Euclid also discovered the transitive property and the addition property.
The subtractive property, and that all right angles are congruent.
In addition, he also discovered the isosceles triangle theorem. You know, that theorem where like the two sides are congruent, and that means the two angles are congruent. Greek mathematicians who contributed to our concepts of geometry are Archimedes, Pythagoras, Thales, Democritus, Aristotle, and Dionysius. Pythagoras contributed to the Pythagorean theorem. Aristotle contributed to hypotheses and conclusions. We're going to see in probably around the next 30 seconds, it's going to be what kind of happened when Euclid compiled all of his knowledge.
Wow, this is just so different here.
I think we time traveled to 2013.
Hey, what's your name?
I'm Euclid.
How about
I'm
you?
Archimedes.
Oh, hello, I'm Pythagoras. Nice to meet you guys.
Well, Pythagoras. I was working on a hypothesis conclusion thing, and it seemed to be working very good for me.
I was working on the Pythagorean theorem. It always seems to work. I think we're on to something.
I think I should combine all of your ideas with some of my genius ingenuity and put them in a book called The Elements.